Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video we will talking about how does Dynatrace real monitoring work. Real user monitoring works by injecting code into an application to capture metrics while the application is in use. Browser based applications are monitored by injecting JavaScript code that can detect and track page loads as well as XHR requests, which is the UI without tracking a page load. Native mobile applications are monitored by adding the monitoring library directly to your mobile application package. Monitoring data is streamed from the application to a data store where it can be queued and visualized. Some real user monitoring tools include automatic instrumentation that makes them very quick and easy to set up, whereas others requires more involved manual and configuration. So that's all from this video of how does Dynatrace real monitoring works, and always see you in the next video with interesting topic. Thank you guys for watching this video.